This is gonna be like the longest video ever. What's poppin'? What's goody? It's your girl Ryan, and we're back at it again with another video. And this time it's going to be a dorm room haul. I spent the past hour lugging all this stuff up here, so I hope y'all really enjoy this. So I have a bunch of stuff that I've gotten over the past couple months in preparation for a moving day. So I literally have like 7 days to get my life together, and I promise you it's not together at all. But I'm just going to be showing you all the decor pieces that I got for my dorm room. I'm not gonna go into like, you know, bathroom stuff, organizational stuff, all the important things. We're gonna talk about the stuff that you don't really need, but it's cute, so you bought it. So the dorm room that I'm going to be staying in is a suite style dorm. So I have my own room, which is why I have so much crap. I just really want to let y'all know what my vision is for this room. I really went on Pinterest and I just started looking up room inspo, dorm inspo, all that good stuff. So I just started saving a bunch of things. I kind of found a theme and the things I was going for. So my dorm room colors are like a blush pink, black, white, and cream. It doesn't sound like it's gonna make sense, but in my head it makes sense. I know I said I wasn't gonna talk about techie organizational stuff, but guys, I finally got a MacBook. I'm so happy. I've been wanting a MacBook for 1,000,001 years, so I'm so blessed that I was able to get this with my graduation money. Not only does this help me in school, but it helps me get my video life together, because if you've been around since my prom vlog, you know that editing was a little something special, okay? So this is my comforter. It's a twin XL because, as y'all know, like literally everything from your bed is gonna have to be a twin XL because it's a longer twin size bed. But it's a 2-piece comforter set, and it's just black and white. It looks like this picture here. I got this from At Home, and it was about $50, which is actually really good price for a twin XL comforter. First nice purchase, and I really love it. It's super duper soft. So the next thing that I got is this really soft blush pink furry blanket, and this is from Home Goods. It was like 17 bucks, and it's by Celebrity Home, and I just plan on throwing this like at the bottom of my bed. It's super soft. I will be using it, but obviously not right now because it's super hot outside. But yeah, it's so soft. It's just so nice, like, and it just goes with my colors, and I'm really excited to use this. Okay, so keeping up with the little blush pink trend, these are my curtains that I got. I wanted them to be sheer, kind of like the curtains that I have in my room right now, but I wanted to incorporate the colors, so I just got them from TJ Maxx. No, I got them from Marshall's, and they don't have like any tag or anything on them because I got them on sale because they couldn't find the little price tag. So I hope these work because I don't think I can return them. They're really cute and they're nice and sheer, so they'll let in some sunlight. So that's really all I wanted. That my pinks aren't all the same. That was what I was going for originally, but honestly, it just got too hard. So I'm hoping that all these variations of pink will look cute together, but if not, we'll just cry together. So the next thing that I got was another pair of like white curtains, and these are also from Home Goods. These are $17, and no, I'm not gonna have 2 sets of curtains. I'm not that extra. I just plan on using these as my bed skirt. I saw a video where someone had a bed skirt that like was split in half and opened. So I was like, you know what, it makes sense. Just getting another pair of curtains, getting a tension rod, and cutting the bottom to make it fit the length that I need my bed skirt to be. So that's my plan for these, and I think it's gonna be really, really cute. For like shelving and maybe a little bit of school stuff. So I plan on putting these beside my desk. There's like a little indentation in the wall, and I think it would be really cute to put there. And so obviously I can just use some command hooks and layer them like this, and I can put like papers in here, supplies, I don't know. Then on that same wall, I really want to put this, I'm gonna put this cork board, and I have these little gold push pins, and I'm gonna go print out some pictures from CVS. Have like a little memory wall. I see like little dorm halls and people have like a whole wall dedicated to like memories and pictures. It just looks so cluttered. It bothers me. So I was like, you know, I want that, but I'm just gonna keep it in this little square. and it's gonna be cool. So the next things that I have are these little shelves that I got off of Amazon. They're like really cute. They have like the natural wood and again the big grids so that I can just use like clear command hooks and hang them up. Like these come in 3 different sizes and I got them for like $28. So this is the small size, there's a medium one and a large, and I plan on putting them on a wall above my wall mirror. And I just want to put like little trinkets here, like little picture frames, like plants. I don't know what else. In my mind, they're gonna be super cute. So I got these to hang up there as well. Okay, so I don't know if I need to explain the layout of my room. There's like a big wall beside my bed that I plan on pushing my bed up against, and it's just empty and I don't want to deal with like wallpaper or blah blah blah. So I found this like really cool abstract piece at Home Goods. I don't remember how much this was. It was probably like 20 bucks, but I just think it's so cute. Like it's just so freaking cute. I think it's gonna add like a nice like conversation piece. And again, me being super anal, I just don't like having a bunch of stuff on my wall. Like I don't know, I'm not a minimalist, I promise. This is gonna give me the perfect amount of like decor slash I promise I'm not just a boring person. The next little decor item that I got to hang on my wall is this nice tapestry, and I got this from World Market. I don't know where I plan on putting this, to be quite honest with you, but I just felt like it tied in all my room colors and the vibe that I'm going for, and it just made me happy. It's super cute and I love the vibe, so I felt like I needed it. I got a bunch of pillows. I don't know what was going on in my mind when I decided I needed so many pillows, but someone should have honestly slapped me because I don't think I need this many pillows. This is the first pillow that I got and it's really cute. It's from Target. It's just like white with these cream little detailing. It definitely goes with my vibe. I definitely think like invest in your more statement pillows. Like I said, this was probably like 20 something dollars from Target, which is like, you know, if you want to pay it for a pillow, you can, but it's really not necessary. But I feel like if you are going for a certain vibe in your room or you want like a specific color and you see that in a pillow or an item, like I feel like it's definitely worth it to get at least like a couple items that really stand out and really make you happy and really make your room. I'll do these next pillows kind of fast because I feel like every pillow definitely did not have a backstory like this one. But this is also like my second favorite pillow because like I said, it ties in everything, like the cream, the black. It's super adorable. I think I did get it from Home Goods, I'm not sure, but it's super cute. That's all I have to say about it. Next I got another pink pillow. This is from World Market. It has like a velvety texture, so that's why I got this one, because I feel like it switched it up a little bit. This really fluffy pink pillow is also from World Market. And then I got another little textured pillow. This is from Marshall's, maybe. We're gonna get into the most annoying part. I don't know why I got so many of these items, but it's plants. I like these little palm plants. I got them from IKEA and they're really big, so I'll probably end up folding them or cutting them to fit them in the vase that I want to put them in. They're so cute. I want to put them on my desk and just look at them and feel like paradise and happiness and love. So the next plant that I got has my little Aztec print on it, so you know I have to get it raw. Keep in mind, none of these are real because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a hard time keeping myself alive. So I don't need to worry about anything, other things, nothing, okay? And like, we don't need to explain these stuff. I have a problem, it's okay. It's a problem. This is an ottoman. As you can see, we're keeping with the pink theme. I got this from At Home. And one of my major deal breakers when I was looking at ottomans is that it had to have like an open lid. I just felt like it was important that everything had a purpose and that everything could be used multiple ways. I plan to use this so that I can get onto my bed easier, but also I'm probably gonna end up storing like some shoes or something in here, and it's huge, so we got a lot of options. The next large piece that I got was this bedside table. I got this from Home Goods, I believe. No, I got it from Marshall's. Favorite thing about this is that it has these outlets on the back, so if I want to charge my phone, I don't have to worry about, you know, having like a super long extension cord because it has these little plugs right in the back and it'll be right beside my bed, so it'll be really easy to use. Going back to some of our more little delicate, refined items, whatever. I just got these. These two are from HomeGoods, and this is from Target. And I just thought it was unique. I got this little Buddha statue. I have one of these in my room at home. Up next, we have some more lighting fixtures. Just a little gold lamp that I plan on having on my desk. This is from HomeGoods, and it was like 20 bucks. This will be my little nightlight when I'm just studying so hard. The next piece that I got is also some type of light. I don't know how it works. This is by House and Garden Outdoors, so I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be for something outdoors. Anyway, it was like $17. I'm probably gonna have to replace the batteries or something. I also have another lamp, but it's still in the box because it's from IKEA, but it's literally just a tall gold lamp, and that's gonna be on my bedside table. There were just some huge items that I was not willing to lug up the stairs. Some of them are still in boxes, and if you know anything about moving, you know you want to keep your stuff in boxes. I'm not going to be lazy right now, and I'm going to go ahead and insert pictures of the items that I do not have with me right now. So the first thing that is actually downstairs and is so freaking cute is my rug for my room. So my rug is like white with black detailing. Do your research when you're looking at products, especially online. This rug we originally found at Target. It was like $200 for the size that I wanted. Looked on Amazon, found the exact same rug, only $100. That just means do your research, children. The next thing that I'm going to insert a picture of is a little cart that I plan on having in my room. This is probably where I'm going to keep like my jewelry, some makeup, I don't know, stuff that you grab on the way out. I have no idea, honestly, where I'm going to store all this stuff. But this cart is from IKEA, and it was like $20, maybe like $25. Relatively inexpensive, and it was really cute, and it was black, and as we know, we're just trying to tie in the theme here, people. So I made sure I got a floor-length mirror. I just feel like, how are you supposed to prosper if you cannot see your entire outfit? This is like, what, $15, and I'm pretty sure you can get it for cheaper, but I just got mine from at home, so that's just the price that I paid for it. Believe it or not, we actually are kind of winding down. Showing you all my headboard. I made this myself, so shameless plug, follow my Instagram where I make these and sell these. And honestly, it's probably the ugliest one that I've ever made, so I don't know why I did myself so dirty, but I did. I just feel like it's the little things that make you feel like you're at home, and a headboard is definitely one of them. So honestly, it's so cute. Who's tired of me saying oh cute? Like, we get it. But yeah, I just think it's so adorable, and I really feel like it's going to be like one of the major pieces that ties my whole room together and makes it feel super homey. So sorry if the angle changed. It's because y'all were actually propped up on this item. And this is my clip fan. Now, obviously there's not a ceiling fan in my room, so I just plan on having this at the end of my bed because y'all, I hate being hot while I'm sleeping. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was actually only like $10, so I would definitely say go out and grab you one, sis. Alright, y'all, so we've made it to the end of this video. Y'all pray for me as I take this stuff back downstairs because, as you can see, we've made a mess. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bells, or you can follow me on my other social media accounts at RyannKenzie for Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and pretty much anything else that you want to access me on. If you want to see more videos from me, please leave some suggestions down below because from the lack of videos on my channel, you can tell that I've been struggling. Obviously, this is not all the stuff that I got from my dorm room because I can't just fill it with decorative stuff. I do have more organizational items and stuff for my kitchen, for my bathroom, blah, 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 like I explained earlier, school supplies, hair products, body products, yada yada. If you do want to see that from me, make sure you drop it in the comments down below and I'll drop another video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye. Oh my gosh.